guys, so I just finished doing my wig. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. If you want to see just a review on how I feel about it, skip to the end. All right, so I threw my wig on. Finna clip it back so it could just be easier for me to do. This is the hairline up close. All right. Okay, so drink your coffee and brush back those flyaways. We're about to get started. We're going to start off by taking alcohol and a Q-tip and wetting the Q-tip with the alcohol and rubbing it across where you are going to be applying your glue. And this will take off any excess oil from your skin and your hair. Tip for those who break out easily, just use face soap or a wet rag and clean the area and make sure you're drying it well before applying the glue. Then we're going to take the black Got2b glue to lay down and push back the edges. I am not putting on a wig cap and I still want to avoid putting glue on my edges. So I use the Got2b glue because it also gives an extra layer of glue and security as well lay down my edges. Then I'm going to use my Supreme Hold Ghost Bond glue and I take that and just apply a small line in 3 sections on my forehead to avoid my edges. Again, make sure you're avoiding your edges as much as possible, so glue in between and around them. After I do that, I usually take the same Q-tip because I recycle and I fold it in half and use it to spread the glue and make the layer thin so it won't be clunky under your wig. If your glue is too close to your hairline, then you like to spread forward. If you have a small space in between the glue and your hairline, then you like to spread backwards, but generally stay in the same spot. Then give your glue about a minute or two to dry. Just as soon as you're seeing it clear up, that's when it's about dry, and you like to repeat the process just to add a second layer. Okay, you guys, you like to be really careful with this part. Pull your wig up and place it directly on the glued area of your hairline. Make sure that the edge of your wig is lining up with the edge of the glued area. With this part, I like to do the middle of my hair and then the sides, just so I can make sure that it is even. Take a rat tail comb and use the bottom and really press it into your scalp to make sure that you are melting that lace on your scalp. Okay, so the ear tabs is the part of your wig that lifts the most. What I like to do is take the Got2b glue freeze spray and I spray it on that part of my head. You could also use your bold hold if you want to. I just have sideburns that I like to keep, so I personally use the freeze spray. Let that dry and get tacky a little bit, and then make sure that you're using the actual comb part and combing through your hair as you are trying to lay it down onto your scalp. This is so that none of the hairs freeze or glue down a weird way and it still looks seamless and realistic. I also take my finger and press that in there. Okay, so I take a scarf and I tie it down and make sure that it's really tight on your head so it can melt into your scalp, and let that dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can finish getting ready or whatever you have to do. This part is pretty explanatory. For those who just watch, I will add a couple notes in there. But if you want an in-depth video, please comment down below. Enjoy. So how I feel about this wig, let me just give you a quick run in. Obviously you see like this whole time my phone keeps, the storage keeps filling up. So I'm gonna go through this really quickly. I feel like this wig is really nice for the price that I paid. I paid like $76. It says $71.99 on the package. It is the Outro Perfect Hairline wig. It is a lace wig. It's a 13x6 frontal. I showed y'all pretty much in the beginning how like it looked and how the wig was structured. The problems that I have with this wig is it will tangle. It is not fully human, so it does not like pretty much stay untangled. It tangles. It's a synthetic. If you had synthetics, you understand. So I really didn't have that big of a problem with that. As long as I flat ironed it really good for the day, it pretty much like stays not tangled up. I love how it takes heat. It takes very hot heat. I ended up putting a hot comb on it and a flat iron. I haven't put curls in it yet, but I will soon. So I can't really tell you how it takes curls, but I did put these little just like flips, so, and it took it very well. It kind of came like this a little bit, so I don't know if that's the reason, but it took the curls at the ends as well. What else? I love the lace on this wig. It is really nice for the pricing of it. It's really nice. I think it's pretty worth the price. I have our opinions. I don't know, like, I feel like you should just get in and try it out, but I definitely would recommend it if someone asked me. I'm not a freaking professional. I just kind of do wigs in my house because I don't trust anyone with my head. So that's that. It feels really soft. It feels really good. It actually feels like a human wig. I wouldn't be able to tell. Someone just told me it was a human wig until it started tangling up. I've worn it probably like 3-4 times since I've had it, and I've had it for like a few months, so this is a real full review. I will be dyeing it soon, so I'll like check out the next video, subscribe so you can see me dyeing it, putting curls in it, and just like experimenting with this wig. I just been kind of throwing it on. This is actually the first time that I laid it down on my head, so I think it's definitely a good like go-to wig for someone who's not really wearing it every day all day, but you know, if you like to throw on a wig for a couple of days, it's something that's gonna last you and make you look good regardless. The color was amazing. I love the color of this. It's not like a yellowy 613, and I don't like that. It's definitely like more of a silver, more of a white platinum blonde, so that's really pretty. That's pretty much all I have to say about it. If you have any more questions about this wig, comment down below. I will respond to them. Other than that, I think she's a beaut. I think I look good. I'm ready to tie it down and go to sleep. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever. I have nothing else to tell y'all, so see me in my next video.